Hold on before you put her in a car. Did you crap yourself, ma'am?
Yeah, I did.
Okay, all right.
A routine welfare check began after a concerned restaurant manager reported a woman slumped over the steering wheel of a vehicle with the engine running. What started as a simple check on her well-being quickly escalated when she refused to identify herself, ultimately leading to her arrest.
Yep,
What's going on?
nothing.
Well, something is going on because you were slumped over.
I'm sitting in my car waiting
For what?
for nothing.
Okay.
I'm confused as to why someone is concerned about why I'm sitting in my car.
Because you're slumped over and people saw you at the bar for a long period of time.
I'm sitting in my car though. I'm
Okay,
not
here's the
doing
deal.
anything.
Right now, I'm going to explain the law to you. Right now, you're in actual physical control of this vehicle. You're intoxicated. I can tell that. And you can let me finish. Hold that thought. You can be arrested for DUI. So here's your option. A, I want you to give me your driver's license.
No, I'm not driving, so no, I'm not.
I've already explained you the statute. I want your driver's
I'm
license.
not going to give it to you. Sorry. I'm not doing anything. I'm sitting
Bravo,
in my
2235
car. I'm not
there.
moving. So, sorry, I'm not going to give you my driver's license.
1069 code 2, please. Shut the car off.
No, I'm not doing.
Give me your driver's license.
I'm not going to.
You're required by law to give me your driver's
No, I'm
license
not.
right
I'm
now.
not doing anything.
I'm telling you right now, as a law enforcement officer, that you're required by law to give me your driver's license. Don't make this more difficult than it needs to be. Give me your driver's license or go to jail.
I'm not going to jail. 'Cause
You
I've
will
done
if you
nothing
don't give
wrong.
me your driver's
I
license.
have done nothing wrong. I'm sitting in a car in a parking lot. I have done nothing wrong. And you're
You're
here-
about to. Give me your driver's
about
license.
to means nothing. It's not law. Sorry.
It is law.
It is not. About to
Okay,
doesn't
so
mean anything.
I'm dressed this way. I have a badge on my uniform.
I get
which
your badge. I
okay.
get it.
So
But
are you trying to tell me that you know the law better than me?
I do. Because
Okay, explain the
about
law to me.
About to doesn't mean anything.
Okay, explain the law to me then. Then why you are not required to provide your driver's license as required by Florida
Because
statute.
I haven't done anything. So I'm
I'm going to explain it to you again. You are in actual physical control of this vehicle.
I am not. I am
You are.
sitting in a parking
The
lot
definition
doing
of actual physical control. You have access to the keys, which I just removed from you, and you are in the driver's seat. So give me your driver's license, or this gets much worse for you. Now,
No, sorry. Not going to.
if you don't, you're going to end up out of the car in handcuffs. Do you understand?
I do understand.
So give me your driver's license.
I'm not going to.
Okay, that's obstruction. Do you know what
No.
obstruction is?
I know.
It's
all
called
the things-
resisting without violence.
Yeah, I haven't done anything.
I'm giving you a lawful command.
So what you're doing is you have no reason to do anything.
I 100% do.
No, you do not.
Ma'am.
Because I've done nothing.
I have a manager right here who is going to attest to me that you've been at the bar for however long you were here for.
I have not used a vehicle or done anything. I'm sitting in a parking lot.
Actual physical control. I've already said it to you. That's the third time I've said it to you. I'm giving you one more chance to give me your driver's license, and then if not, you're going to get ripped out of the car, put into handcuffs, or you could just simply give me your driver's license. Your choice. You want to end up in handcuffs? I have another deputy coming here, and when they get here, you're getting removed. So you either give me your driver's license or you're getting removed from the vehicle. Your choice. Be a grown woman. Yes, then be one. Why are you being difficult with me? I'm simply asking you for your driver's license. That's all I'm asking for. Okay, and I'm simply asking you for your driver's license. It's a simple request, no?
No,
It's not?
it was not. Because,
Why?
Because I haven't done anything. You have no reason
I've already
to ask
told
for
you.
my license
This will
or
be the
anything.
fourth time I'm explaining it to you. Actual physical control of the vehicle when you are clearly under the influence. When I walked up to
sitting in a parking lot with the
you are
vehicle
in actual physical control of the vehicle.
with the air conditioner on.
Yes,
that I don't
with the air
die in
conditioning
the
on.
heat. That I'm doing nothing. I'm not driving. Nothing.
Did I
Let's
say
take it
you
to
were
court.
driving?
Let's take it to court.
Did I say you were
because I'm
driving?
not doing anything with the vehicle.
Did I
I'm
say you were
sitting
driving?
in a parking lot. not dying of heat. That's all I'm doing.
You are now because you refuse to listen to me.
Girl, I'm 58 years old. There is no fucking way
Then
you're
you're grown enough to know better. I'm 53. Who cares? Why does age matter?
It does matter.
Tell me why.
Because you're trying to make me feel like that I need to do something that is not.
Oh, I'm telling you, you need to do something.
I do not.
Right now,
Girl,
you're committing two.
I'm committing nothing.
You're breaking 2 Florida statutes right now.
I'm not breaking any Florida statutes. I've done nothing.
2.
Done nothing.
2
Done
Florida
nothing.
statutes.
I've done nothing.
Give me your driver's
No,
license.
done nothing.
All right, so here's what's going to happen. When the other deputy gets here, we're going to take you out of the car. We're going to put you in handcuffs. And then I'm going to get your driver's license anyway.
That'll be fun. So let's do that.
I don't think you will enjoy it. Nobody likes being in handcuffs.
You won't enjoy it when we go to court. So go ahead, because I haven't done anything.
Why can't you just...
Because I'm sitting in a parking lot. I have done nothing wrong.
I've explained it to you several times now, and the fact that you keep making me explain it just verifies to me that you are in fact intoxicated.
I might be intoxicated, but I've done nothing wrong.
Actual physical control, that's the 5th time.
I have not done anything wrong.
6th time, that's actual physical control, which is a violation.
No,
and you can go
to,
I'm going to say it to you again. You can go to jail. You're in actual physical control. You are under the influence, and you can go to jail for DUI.
Because I'm
so give me your,
in a vehicle.
Let me explain something to you. I want you to stop talking, and I want you to listen. I am willing to let you get a ride home. If you don't, I'm taking you to jail. So give me your driver's license or go to jail. And you will spend at least 8 hours in jail because you are, in fact, under the influence. And you will not go home until at least 8 hours. So give me your driver's license and I will let you get a ride home, and you won't go to jail for obstruction, and you won't go to jail for a DUI. This is my last request.
Well, I'm going to wait for your guy because I'm sitting in a parking lot. I'm doing nothing. So
I've already explained it to you 6 times.
I don't
6.
care. It's does not make sense. So I'm not doing anything wrong. I'm sitting in a car. I have not driven. And if you
get out,
no,
get out now.
No, ma'am. I am not getting. Ma'am, do not pull me out of the car. Oh my God, this is like YouTube. Stop.
What's YouTube?
Whatever you're doing, are you crazy?
You're not listening to me, so get out of the car. Get out of the car. Get out of the car.
Nope.
All right. She's refusing to get out of the car. Right. She's refusing.
Step out of the vehicle, ma'am.
Why?
I'm Sergeant Bell with the Flagler County Sheriff's Office. You're being placed under arrest. Step out of the vehicle now.
For what?
I'll explain that to you once you're in handcuffs. Do you understand me? Do not resist.
Oh my God.
For what? I've explained it to you 6 times.
Stop resisting.
Oh my God,
Put your arm back down and relax. Do you hear what I'm saying?
I am not doing anything.
Yes. You are pulling away, and that is resisting.
I am not doing anything.
Detained this time. I'm gonna lock up the handcuffs so they don't pinch
Turn it
up
back
on
around. There you go.
Whiskey Foxtrot detained her this time. So they said she's been at the bar for several hours. When they came up to the window, she was slumped over, car running. She's been just not listening the entire time. Asked her to give me her driver's license about, 18 times, and she keeps telling you no, she's not doing anything wrong. That's where we are right now.
Okay.
I told her, I said, give me your driver's license, we'll get somebody to get you right home, and she still refused. Spread your feet for me, nice and wide. You don't have anything on you that's going to poke me, cut me, stick me, hurt me.
On this car here.
Do you have anything on you that's going to poke me, cut me, stick me, hurt me in any way? Did I not warn you that this was going to happen? Did I not say that? Several times? You're going to sit in my car for right now.
Hey. Just hold on before you put her in a car. Did you crap yourself, ma'am?
Yeah, I did.
Okay. All right. Let's go over here.
I'm really confused because I did not leave here. I'm sitting in the car, and she's being very belligerent.
Okay.
And I did not say I was leaving. I'm sitting.
Did she ask you to give her your driver's license?
I but I asked her what I had done, which is fair.
Okay.
How long is she at the bar for? Do you know?
I remember seeing her. She was there for a bit. I don't know exactly the exact amount of time, but I know she was at our patio bar for a little bit.
Okay.
Customers came out. They saw her hunched over. So
Yeah,
they came
she
and
was
got
hunched
me.
over when I came here.
Yeah, and I asked her to roll down the window. She did. I said, "You need to call a ride." She said, "I am," and then I just went back inside.
Yeah.
I knew the customer had already called 911. I knew you guys were coming.
Oh, okay.
Either way, you're in control of the vehicle when she asks
But
for
I
your
wasn't
driver's license.
moving.
Doesn't matter, you're in control
I
of the
get
vehicle,
it.
ma'am.
I get it. But
Well, you're asking me, and I'm letting you know why she has the right to ask for your driver's license.
I get it. But I'm 58 years old.
Okay.
I have never had anything like this happen to me,
Okay.
ever. And I'm sitting in a parking lot
Okay.
trying to figure out whether I need to call my son or not,
Okay.
which is what grown-ups do,
Okay.
right?
Well, ma'am, we got calls that you were passed out at the wheel.
But
When
I'm
you're-
sitting in my car, but that's
Okay.
not...
But that is in control of your vehicle, which
But
is
I-
against the law.
no,
if you're
If
intoxicated.
I'm not moving, it
No,
is not.
I mean, if you know more than me, then you're welcome to be your
well,
own
but
lawyer.
it's not moving.
Okay,
Then I do
you're in
know.
control of it when you are in there with the keys. All right. So if you would have gave her your driver's license, maybe we would have gone a different route. But when you don't follow our lawful orders, and when you're not compliant with those orders, then this is what happens.
I explained that to her, that somebody else was going to come here and basically say the same thing that I've already said to her.
I just don't understand. Okay.
Well, how many different ways can I
because I'm not
explain it to you,
moving,
though?
and I'm not moving. I'm not doing anything.
This will be the 8th time, because that was the 7th time he just explained it to you. I said, you're behind the driver's...
But I'm not moving or doing anything because I'm a grown up and deciding should I do something stupid or not, and I decided not to. And that's
And
the
all
difference.
I asked you for was your driver's license,
I
and
don't-
you refused
Because
many
listen,
times.
we're in the 2025, and you know
Yes,
what's
it
going
is.
on in the world.
What
And
does that have
I'm
to do with
not,
the price of tea in China? It has nothing to do with it.
No, it does. But
All right, we're gonna go on that side of the car, okay?
She grabbed herself.
Yeah, I see that.
yeah, I did.
Right. Okay, you want to stand in the shade?
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah.
You're gonna find nothing, and that's wonderful. So, never been handcuffs in my entire life.
Never what?
Been in handcuffs in my entire life.
Well, I guess there's a
I'm
first for
almost
everything.
60, and I've done nothing wrong but sit in a parking lot because I knew I drank too much and decided to not drive home. And she's attacking me.
She's
For
attacking you?
Well, you sit in a car.
Okay.
What
How
did I
did
do
she
wrong?
attack you?
But what did I do wrong?
How did she attack you?
But what did I do wrong?
I asked you first.
Well, I'm in a car.
Okay.
So she came to my car and knocked on my window. So I'm not driving. I'm not going anywhere.
Okay. So how's that attacking you?
Well, she ripped me out of the car and
Okay.
said I'm doing something wrong.
So you're in the driver's seat of a vehicle while
Wait.
intoxicated?
With the car turned off.
Okay. Well,
What
it's
is
called
wrong with
actual
that?
physical control.
Makes sense.
Makes no sense. It's the law. I don't know what to tell
Yeah.
you. Set.
Just Foxtrot 1015. So you are being placed under arrest.
For what?
For resisting without violence, like I warned you multiple times. How did that happen? You defecating on yourself.
Because this is very scary. I've never ever had any kind of altercation with the police in my entire life. So
Do you remember me saying to you, all you have to do is give me your driver's license?
no, I did, but I didn't understand why sitting.
I'm going to explain it to you again. I explained it to you very clearly. All you have to do is give me your driver's license, and I will let you call somebody.
I did not
Hold
understand.
on. Hold that thought. I said I will let you call somebody to come get you. If you don't, when the other deputy comes on scene, you're going to be pulled out of the car, placed in handcuffs, and you're going to be charged with resisting. Did you remember me saying all of that?
I did, but I did not
Okay.
understand why sitting in my car doing nothing.
It was explained to you 8 times.
behind you on the floor.
I did not understand why sitting in my car I was in trouble. I'm sorry.
Well, I explained it to you 7 times.
Following the arrest, she was transported to the inmate facility, where she declined to answer questions, participate in field sobriety exercises, or submit to breath testing. She was ultimately charged with driving under the influence and obstruction without violence. Do you think the deputies handled this situation correctly, or should they have approached it differently? If you found this video informative, make sure to like, comment your thoughts below, and subscribe for more real police body cam footage and true crime content.